Today's the day you do something to change your life. I know you're going to watch all these videos and try to, come up with a plan and meditate and manifest, and you're manifesting right now. And I'm going to show you a way to change your life, but you have to use the tools. You have to take the action. It's all about the journey, but abundance is waiting for you, and all you have to do is take it. And go outside of the matrix, go outside of the box, and challenge yourself to change the life that you're living that you don't love to the one you love, because it's in your hands. I believe in quantum physics, and that means that we can bring any reality into view. You can do the same thing. What qualifies me? Well, it's not my 25 years as a business owner or an investment banker. It's what I did after those 25 years. I quit. I quit something I didn't love that no longer served me, and I went after my dreams. But I knew I had to pay my bills. So I was smart about it. I got an education with an online learning platform, an education that taught me how to create online businesses. As an investment banker, I knew the value of that. I know that our world is going to that. I know that people that aren't getting on board with that are going to be left in the dust. A lot of people are losing their jobs, even IT professionals. How do I know? Because the people that are joining us to learn this education system are coming from those walks of life. From doctors to lawyers to stay-at-home moms. We have truck drivers. We have IT professionals that are losing their jobs. Why? Because the world is changing. And people are tired of working that way. You may be. Maybe abundance hasn't been part of your life, and you don't know why. You probably just don't fit into the box, the matrix. You should be expressing yourself differently, and we'll show you how to do that. This is an education system. It doesn't require your own products and services. It teaches you how to create any online business. We'll show you how to create an e-commerce store, or perhaps you want your own YouTube channel, or maybe you want to sell products and services. Maybe you have your own business, or you want to create your own business. Maybe you just want to do affiliate marketing. That's when you promote somebody else's products and services and get paid for it. That's just not something you can do and figure out yourself. This is becoming very complex stuff, but you don't have to be tech savvy, and we have people from all walks of life, from people who haven't graduated from high school to doctors, learning this. Why? We're tired of living the life we're told we should that's not making us happy. You're probably exhausted at night, aren't you? I was. I had heart palpitations. I owned the company. That didn't solve the problem. It gave me more responsibility, and I knew that if I didn't quit, I was going to die never fulfilling my dreams. So I quit. And as a writer all my entire life that I never pursued, I finally wrote that first book. It was a best-selling, award-winning book, and it was turned into a television movie. It's being shown globally. And now I do it for a living. Now I also have successful online businesses that financially support my dreams. I don't have to worry if those books make money or not, or if I sell my next movie. I have income coming in, and you can do the same thing. It's possible for all of us, but we're so afraid to step outside that matrix because people might disapprove. Who cares? You go after that life you love, and we'll be there for you. And here's the best part. We'll not only teach you how to create an online business, but there's an entire spiritually minded community that's going to support you, cheer you on, and answer all your questions. We don't just leave you out there. We actually show you how to do it and get through the limitations that may come up as you change your life. Now, you don't have to quit your job. You can do this on the side. If you eventually want to quit your job, we'll help you get there too. This isn't about just making money online. This is about a whole lifestyle shift. It's a whole different way of thinking, and the world's ready for it. No one wants to push paper anymore or come home exhausted and watch a little bit of TV before they collapse and not really be all that energetic when they're with their kids, or not having the portfolio you thought you would at the end of your career. That world's gone. You want to join the new one? Join me. I had a successful career. That wasn't my happiness. I'm living it now. I'm living the life I dreamed of, and you can do the same thing. Join me. I'll send you free videos. Just click somewhere here on the screen. Give me your email, and it'll come into your inbox. Make sure that you look for them. I'll be there. I'll introduce you to my mentors, the trainers, the community, and we're going to explain what this is. What is it? How are you going to get trained on this? How does that translate into freedom and money? We'll explain all of that. And if you don't like what you see, unsubscribe. It's free. Don't limit yourself. Don't sit back and wish for things and hope that something's going to come along and knock on your door. That door's waiting and you can open it, and we'll be there on the other side to welcome you. There's a whole wave of people, a whole group of people out there changing this world and going after their dreams and creating a new way of life, and you can participate in that. I hope you join us. I hope you educate yourself and invest in your education. This isn't going to be an easy task. This is the real deal. Nobody's going to promise you a ton of money in a week. We will promise you the support and all the tools that you need to create that life. And if you join us halfway, we'll help you create what you envision that you're not living now. So click somewhere here on the screen, get your free videos and emails from me, and you can also talk to me directly. I'll be there to help mentor you on your journey. I don't just leave you out there hanging. And I'll share my full story about my success and how it continues to evolve, how I have become the person that I dreamed of that I could never express as an investment banker. Come join me. And if you decide not to, if you don't go along with our education system, it's not for you, don't hold back on your dreams. Go after them today. Click here on the screen. Give us your email address, and I'll see you on the other side. I wish you great success and abundance. Take care, and thanks for listening.